Okay, today we are playing we're playing Melon Sandbox. Yay! Please like and subscribe, or else if you don't like and subscribe, you will have nightmares. And comment which subscriber would you like, and and you can see my face over there, but now you don't see. I will pick something, and I think this is the best one. And I make an account on December 2024. It was a super old year, I guess. So, wait. Okay, this is Roblox. And this is the untitled. She's a mortal, so can hit whenever. She's so strong, bro. He can take damage. And even with a person, look, look. And I will go to slow mode and ready for fight. Look, ready, set, shaboom. And wait. Let me show you. Let me show you. She's so strong. He can kill somebody so one shot. And also, if he has a gun, she's a pro at that. Let me show you how is she a pro at sniper. And I think this is the best one in the world. Okay, she's doing like this. Okay, ready, set, shoot. And she's the best one. And also, she's hitting the guy so nothing happens. And also, she got too many guns. What? Okay. I'm still waiting for the activation start. 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, I'm just opening my TV, and later I will show it to the AI how did I record, and also bye bye.